back for part 2 of the sleeping platform build. We're going to be building the front legs support cargo area, and then we'll be doing putting the top over and then wrapping that all in like a nice automotive type carpet type fabric. Okay, so you can see this is from the behind the driver's seat. I haven't moved all the way up just to give myself lots of clearance. I'm just gonna put two 2x6s in front of there. Really sturdy this up so it doesn't like to wiggle. And then I can put some weight along this area here and not have to worry about it moving around. Okay, so here are the legs I just put in. Extra super sturdy. Nothing's moving at all. Put them on the inside just to give myself a little bit of back room. I am 6'3", so I need all the seat usually goes back a lot further than the passenger seat here. So I wanted to give myself a little bit of room, and I think it'll look a lot cleaner when I wrap it all in that carpet stuff. I'm gonna start measuring it and putting the top on. So for the top, I'm going to break it off into 3 pieces, the kind of 3 rectangular sections, so that the first one right up there, this one so I can lift it up, and then this one for a big cargo area that I can lift up and gain access to all that storage underneath. All right, so there's the first top, aka where my feet are gonna go. Turned out pretty good. Got a good amount of clearance for some upholstery. Nice and square. Kind of hidden legs. Turned out pretty good so far. Okay, so now that everything's all in there, gonna take it all out, sand it, borrow my buddy's sander, take it all out, paint it black, wrap the tops of these out. These aren't hinged to anything yet, they're just laying there. But proof of concept. Works, looks good. Now just for finishing details. Alright guys, so it's been a couple of days. I took the tops here to work and I wrapped them in this carpet. Didn't go all the way, but I got a pretty decent amount. So it'll be padded a little bit. I just use this automotive carpet stuff. It's just black, it's kind of tough, so it won't rip. But yeah, I did those two. That one, the ones that are hinged. Work just like that. I got to do the front part of this platform. I'm going to wrap the whole top, probably the sides and the front, just because that will be in like the passenger compartment. So I'm going to have it be a little plush. It matches with the carpet in the back of the trunk pretty good. But yeah, let's finish the rest of this then. Okay, so kind of fell all into place. It's a little struggle to get it in there, but then once it's in there, it's a real snug fit, which obviously I love. I'm gonna vacuum up a little bit. And then all I gotta do is screw the hinges on. I'll show you those right now. Okay, so these are the little hinges I'm gonna use, 2 for each one, so it's a little sturdier. I was gonna put these little like cabinet connector things in so they don't move around, but it's such a tight fit that I probably won't even need to use them. I'll see if I end up using them or not. We'll see. But yeah, some long-ish hinges, and it's pretty much done. All right, guys. Finished product. Looks pretty factory. Fits really well. There's a little bit of mismatch right here, but it's fine. It's pretty tight fit. Got some stuff in there right now. Goes together real nice and tight. And yeah, no one's really the wiser. What I'll do for sleeping is just get a like a 2 or 3 inch memory foam, cut it out there, and then leave it the width, whatever it comes, twin length or twin width or whatever on this side. And then you usually probably use this part over here for like a cooler, heater, whatever, like goods that I need right there. Power bank, something like that. So yeah, that's it for right now. Really happy with the way it turned out. Doesn't look like anything crazy, but that's kind of how I wanted it. Simplification is key. And when it's closed, and you lift the back panel up here, the back glass, you can still use it for groceries. Get down in there nice and easy because it's lifted up a little bit. And yeah, there's a little bit of a gap there, but that's all right. Works out.